the boat. 5.2 metre Fraser, fibreglass. Inside's pretty good, powered by 90 horsepower Optimax. Really good outboard these, so that'll be good. We have a nice off-road trailer. It's got the Land Cruiser Patrol 6 stud rims. Needs a little fiberglass repair down there and on the other side in the same spot, but that should be easy enough. Yeah, heaps of room in it. We'll get up here. Heaps of room. A good little boat, I reckon. It's even got a glass bottom. Not bad. Yeah, fix it up and then take it out. So the plan is with this, there's cracks along the stringers, well not the stringers, the strakes underneath, and I'm just going to cut a section of the floor out on a nice way. I'll show you the best way to do that, so then I can get access into the hull and fiberglass them from the back. If it's bad, then we'll have a better look at it, but that's the plan for now, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now I've got the full perimeter cut. There might be a few little spots in the corners which aren't perfectly joined up, but now I'm just going to go around with this little crowbar looking thing, a tie lever, don't know what it is, and just slip it in there, and as you see, there we go, whole thing's coming up. Now just looking at this here, I think this hose here, it's actually a piece of PVC, and that's connected whole way to the back, so old mate could run his cables and his steering and all that. I think I might have to buzz around here with a grinder just to free that hole up, but then it should be happy days after that. And yeah, the floor will pop straight up, hopefully, it's looking like. So the floor is up. You can see how wet it is underneath. You never want any moisture in there really, in the ideal situation. So the cracked stringers, well not the stringers, sorry, the cracked strakes, they run about here I think, on each side. And I'm pretty sure this is all fiberglass stringers because it looks like it and sounds like it. You can see here, it might be hard to see actually in the video, but there you go. It's not the best, can't really show you much better, but yeah, that fiberglass is delaminated, so that is able to move. And it's the exact same on this side. So effectively the hull in that area has no support underneath, and that's why we've got the cracks in the bottom of the boat that we do. So ideally we want to fix all that up, and yeah, there's a few things I don't really like about the way the last person's done this. This is a structural piece here, and they've just cut a big hole in it for that pipe to go through, and then haven't done anything about it, so, or like put any more strength into it or fiberglass around it. So yeah, that's a bit average. That's probably partly the reason that this has all become delaminated here. So yeah, next step will be a really good clean and probably pull the tank out so we can actually see what we're doing, and then yeah, reassess the best way to fix the cracked strakes underneath. So I've removed the fuel tank here, and Then I've buzzed around with the jigsaw or the recip saw, and I've removed those stringers. Now these bottom lines just here, they're what were meant to be glassed into the hull, and essentially they were not in at all. I did not have to cut them or anything. I just cut this top part and pulled it out. So that was really poorly glassed in to the hull, which is essentially what we're going to fix. We're going to clean up these little strakes, because that's where the cracks are, through there. We'll clean them up, give this all a real good vacuum and a sand and everything, and then I'm going to fiberglass them up, and I'm going to lay a few sheets across the whole lot and even up the side on the inside of these just to strengthen it up. Then I'm going to plonk that webbing back in there, and I'll feather the edges so I can glass them in and make them strong. Then I'll put another couple layers through the bottom of the hull and wrapped around that, and then it'll be much stronger. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode where we do some fiberglass repairs and plan the next stage.